Hello, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you AS statement in SQL. AS statement will use for the name of the alias, we can call it as, or else alternate name for particular columns or database table names. For the purpose we will use for this, for concatenating a username like first name and last name, and we are populating in a single parameter like a single column, we'll use AS statement to alias name. In table names, while joining the table with one table to multiple tables with a convenient to use, instead of writing complete table name, we'll use AS statement to make it as an alternate name called alias name. This name might be a single digit or single character or two characters, mostly will use to convenient to use as an AS statement. Simply we can declare it as an AS statement means like employees table name is showing in this example. As an exercise we will see here now. As the employees table, I can simply say that AS as E. That's it. E, I can say that it's an alternate name of employees. Wherever I want to use an employee's table name, I can simply use it instead of employees writing. I can use simply by writing E only. All right. It's not table way. Whereas in column specified column names we'll use for AS as we'll see here in a small example. In a scenario challenge, I'm going to explain you here. The scenario is like that. Here, see, the first name, the name of the employee registration table, it is showing here. It is fetched from select star from employee. Yeah. Now execute here. This is the result set. It's going on. Employee ID, last name, first name, title, country, currency, and all the details like birth rate, everything is here. Like the registration table of employee, you can assume it. My requirement is, my challenge is that the first name and last name should be as an output should come within a single parameter only, that is treated as name, EMP name, where I can mention that parameter wherever I require to present an employee to sending in a visiting card or a letter. I can mention there is an employee name. This is the employee name only with the help of one parameter only, where I can mention here it's a result set only and retrieving the data with the single parameter. How it is, we'll see. So very simple. For the first name and last name, I am taking here for here with the help of a statement. See, select first name, either first or last. As your requirement, you can write last underscore name space with the help of pipe and single quote, close the single quote, and pipe helps the concatenation of the two strings I am writing here, nothing more than that. All right, and the last name, and now it is in a first underscore name. These are the, as you know that these are the column names only. The last name is indicating here, and the first name which is indicating here the two columns. All right, now see here the help of a statement. These two columns I am concatenating as a third, as a single column I am taking as an output as a result set. With the help of AS, I can say that it's an EMP name. As I am treating it's an EMP name. Run the query here. I'll get the result set as a single column only. If I expanded here, the first name, second name, we'll see. We'll run to see here. Select star from employees. Now I'll run this query only. Now see here, W Nancy, Fuller Andrew, Lever Janet, Peacock Margaret. These all will comes in the single column only here. If I execute this one, You will see the result sheet. See, both are mixing. If we want any space between the first name and last name, we can specify here with the single quotes on the here. The line we can specify one space line. Yeah, stop. Now see, if I execute this statement now, how it is, see the output. See, space is created, very beautiful. The output is very beautiful and we can present the data simply by using emp name as an output. That is the way the AS statement will help us to concatenating different parameters like column names into one, and similarly for using the joins, there is a multiple tables may interact with the join statements. We'll make it as an instead of writing complete table name, we'll use alias names to either single digit or two characters name with the help of that name to treating as an alternate name to table names and specifying the column names from the table name. All right, we'll see all on the next sessions where their joins are there concepts. We'll look into that. Thank you for watching this session. Thank you.